The Bajaj Qute is a small four-wheeled vehicle designed mainly for short-distance travel in cities and towns. It combines the convenience of a compact car with the low running costs of a two-wheeler, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious users. Built to handle daily urban commuting, it's not just fuel-efficient but also very easy to maneuver through narrow lanes and crowded traffic. This vehicle runs on a 216.6cc single-cylinder engine. For the petrol version, it produces around 13 horsepower and delivers a torque of 18.9 Nm. The CNG variant has a slightly lower output, offering 11 horsepower and 16.1 Nm of torque. These numbers may not seem high, but for a lightweight vehicle meant for inner-city use, it's more than enough to keep pace with urban traffic. The top speed is about 70 km/h, which suits most city road conditions. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Qute really shines. The petrol model gives about 35 km/L, while the CNG version offers up to 43 km/kg. These figures mean extremely low running costs, which is one of the main reasons why this vehicle appeals to daily commuters and fleet operators alike. Whether you're using it for personal or commercial purposes, it's a very economical option. The Qute's size also adds to its city friendliness. It measures 2,752 mm in length, 1,312 mm in width, and 1,652 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 1,925 mm. These compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating traffic, fitting into tight parking spots, and making U-turns in narrow streets. Its small turning radius is a big plus in busy urban areas where space is always limited. Its design is focused more on utility than luxury. The cabin is closed and weather protected, which is a big upgrade from two-wheelers or open rickshaws. It seats 4 people, 1 driver and 3 passengers. The body uses a monocoque frame, which makes the vehicle lighter and more fuel efficient. There's also a roof-mounted luggage rack that can carry about 30 kilograms, adding to its practicality for delivery or light cargo use. Safety features are kept basic. You get seat belts for all seats and a strengthened body structure, but the car did receive only a 1-star rating in Euro NCAP safety tests. This rating suggests it offers minimum protection in case of an accident, so it's best used for low-speed, short-distance travel where the risk is lower. Still, it's a big step up from riding a bike or scooter in terms of safety and comfort. Inside, the Qute keeps things simple. It has basic utility storage compartments, including space under the front seats and behind the rear seats. There's no luxury tech here. No infotainment system or air conditioning, but everything you need to get around is present. It's built for functionality, not frills. The suspension setup includes telescopic hydraulic shock absorbers at both front and rear, making the ride more stable and less bumpy over uneven roads. The Qute handles potholes and speed bumps better than you might expect for a vehicle of this size and cost. It uses drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which are simpler and cheaper to maintain than disc brakes. Given its top speed and light weight, drum brakes are sufficient for the Qute's purpose. Again, this matches its focus on being easy to use and economical in the long term. You can get the Qute in multiple colors such as yellow, blue, white, and black. These bright, cheerful colors help it stand out on the road. While the interiors are quite plain, they're easy to clean and designed to withstand regular use, especially if you're running it as a fleet or for commercial services. As for the price, the petrol version of the Qute is currently priced around 3.61 lakh rupees in India, while the CNG variant is slightly more. That puts it well below the cost of any full-sized car, making it accessible to many more people. It's also a great option for companies looking for fleet vehicles that are cheap to run and maintain. Finally, while there hasn't been a major update or 2025 specific model announced officially yet, the Qute continues to serve its purpose effectively. It's expected that Bajaj will keep refining the model with small updates over time, especially to meet any new emission or safety regulations. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, affordable, and practical city vehicle, the Bajaj Qute is worth considering.